product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. What you know about juice? Making the moves that of low casual, breaking the on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto.
What up? Why not, right? What you know about?
Making the moves that of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a
go.
fat pocket. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play.
This is crazy, man. We back. Who cares? Let me get the light.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it
Pump
drip
it, baby.
though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Why not? Why not? How we all doing, guys?
Alexo, crypto.
Let's put you guys on the vlog.
Alexo.
Guys, let's throw some others in the chat. I'm going to record you guys. Let's get it. Hey, say that again.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco.
Bitcoin is all the way up. 57,000, baby. We're going to edit that vlog, get it out for you this weekend coming up. This is crazy, guys. Look at this. Look at all these otters. You want your name in the vlog, right? Your name will be in the vlog.
I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets.
Yeah. Late night Otter Gang loyalty. Love you all, man.
They playing God so pretentious.
Look at me.
Don't look at me.
Have you guys heard of TRB, or are we just talking Bitcoin? Alexo. What's going on? Dave P, Alexandra, Retro Mike Tech, Maybe Band-Aid, Blockchain Gaming. What's going on, man? We got to get you a membership. What's going on, man? Jonathan Schaefer in the chat. King Kush. I was only joking. So much love, brother. He asked me to go live. King Kush, you guys can blame King Kush for this. What's going on? TRD Farmer, my brother. Hope you're doing well. French Toaster in the chat. Hodl Crypto. What's going on? Dave P. Just a looking for a partner. Pew, pew, pew. Without even falling down. Oh, well, look at Bitcoin. We got some key levels here. We shared it out in the Discord, guys. I mean, I just long this thing for fun. Look at all you guys winning, man. I just made a quick $1,400, guys. Like, quick. I just pressed buy. I made a quick $1,400. Look how easy it was, right? Look at this, guys. You guys are winning. Crazy Fool. Jonathan Schaefer up 1,000%, man. That's the one, man. Let's go, guys. Let's go. You guys are legends. We're getting a little pullback here, man. How you all doing? I know it's the evening. You know, it's way past my bedtime. It's like it's 9:15, guys. I'm up early normally. Been doing renovations today. The basement's looking top notch. I'm gonna do some B-roll and stuff so you guys can see all that all the renovation that's going on for the little one and myself and Mrs. Otter. We're doing a basement apartment for us at my grandparents' house so we can take care of them yet have our own space. So it's gonna be interesting seeing those vlogs. You guys asked for it, but this is pretty awesome, man. Look at this, man. 56.6 right now, guys. This is crazy. We gave the trade setup this morning, okay? Like, we came up with the break of this structure here this morning. We were like, yo, this is gonna go, man. This thing gonna go, man. And we were right. We said in, we could pull it up if you want proof, but we said in the morning stream, we said we're looking for this break of structure, retest of this downwards trend line. The stop loss was tight as F, okay? Like, this was a beautiful, beautiful trade setup this morning. What's going on, FD White? You got to message me on Discord, FD White. We got to do a collab, my man. God bless you, man. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful day. I hope that portfolio looking as green as mine, right? We love that green dollar bill signs. But we gave this trade setup. What really told me this trade setup was the bullish divergence that I believe I shared over the weekend here, and that was over here. We had that right here where we had that higher high and the lower low, okay? And money flow coming back into the market. And this just gave us another, this reversal signal, right? We get the retest, right? And then we get the blast off, right? So that was a very nice move. We talked about it on the live, but I had Army Piper on, so we didn't go into too much detail on this. However, we're flying right now, man. We're flying right now and we're making that money. So we gave this setup, and we were only targeting the top of this liquidity zone up above us here. And guys, guys, we have 56,400 right now, man. This is crazy. I mean, do you guys want to go and have some fun on the 15? Let's go 15-second chart. I mean, so we just got another run up here. We came as high as 57,595, guys. This is wild right now. So I did take a long from here. I longed here. I longed here. And I got out here. And I got out here. And I just made a quick $1,600 in the proofs in the pudding. I mean, I could share my my trading account with you guys because I don't care. You guys are family. So here we go. We got it here. Oh man, right? So we doing all right, man. We doing all right. It's another day in paradise with you guys. So thank you guys so much for being here, being part of the family. That's what it's all about. Okay, that's what it's all about. Thank you guys so much for being here. So what are we looking at now? Okay, what are we looking at now? Consolidation. Don't want to fight this trend, right? Consolidation. Don't want to fight this to the upside. We look for rotation of capital, right? So the rotation of capital, we look over at the ETH BTC chart and we can see that we get in a dump. Okay, so this is interesting. So we let you guys know that we're getting that breakout here on the ETH BTC chart for the retest, coming back down, testing this area here. It has done so. Okay, so we can see that we did get the retest on the ETH BTC chart. Breakout, retest. We want to see this continue up. This is going to really signify the rotation from Bitcoin into altcoins. Okay, if we can hold above this trend line, this is going to be very, very crucial. Blockchain Crusader in the chat. What's going on, my brother? What's going on, my brother? Hope you're doing well. And all-time high before having. Well, We gotta wait and see. We gotta wait and see. It's not far off. What is it? What is it? Let's take a look here. Let's take a look. So we've been crushing it lately as a community. As a channel, we've been growing nicely, smoothly. You know, some good new faces here. Who I love having new faces around. You guys seem to be our people. You know, like we're pretty picky, us Otter gang. We like to have good, kind-hearted people, and you guys, all-time highs. What are we off here? 20? No way, guys. Guys, what is this? This is crazy, man. 21%. We got to go live together one of these days. Yeah, man. You're always welcome on my show, Blockchain Crusader. Always, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You let me know. We'll make it happen. I'd love to have you on, man, and share about yourself. I know you're kind and a loving person, and you're one of our people. You're one of our people. I would love to have you on the show. And I mean, you guys have had me on your show and blessed me incredibly. So, Mikasa, Sikasa, you know, same. My house is your house, you know. So you come over and hang out anytime you want. We know the Otter Gang loves you guys too. We are big fans of Crypto Wars. Hopefully we can get on that again and kick some ass for you and make that show exciting and fun as per usual. Okay, so we're 21% off the high, which is pretty incredible, right? It's pretty incredible. Now, if we want to draw this parabola that everybody is talking about, we can do so. Speaking of which, did you realize Haas disappeared? Yeah, I mean, Haas, I think, had different intentions, and that's okay. I mean, that's okay. That's okay. Some people come in and out. They wanna grab community or whatever it is. You know, you can't knock people's hustle, man. Like if people want to try and hustle, that's cool, man. I don't blame them. However, you ain't gonna phase no Otter Gang, guys. We pretty tight, and you can come and try to shill us or try to whatever, cause it's all free, right? We're prepared for you for all the scams that are coming through, you know. So, I mean, that's all good. It's all good. We show up for each other, nonetheless. I thought this was pretty funny, guys. Coins Kid, he says, you know. Capo here, Savvy. I don't know who this guy is. Do you guys know who this guy is in the middle? In blockchain backer, he's coming for all these guys. So yeah, Dallas will call them out. Straight up, Dallas. We gotta actually let's promote Dallas, man. Where are you, Dallas? I think Dallas has been, you know, besides your potty mouth, Dallas, we love you, man. And it's okay if you're real Otter Gang. If you're real Otter Gang, having a little bit of a potty mouth is okay with me, man. So I think we're gonna put you into the Hitman now, man. You are now officially red. Welcome to the Hitman, Mr. Dallas, 12 Big Dal. You are constantly in the Discord, participating, hanging out, being one of the true fledged members of our group here, and we appreciate you, bro. We appreciate you, man. I know it's just a little red symbol, but it means enough to me, man. Lunar Breaches Crypto says 100x. Sure, what's going on, man? Bro, you better get to bed. I'm expecting your live stream in the morning, bro. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. It's way past your bedtime, Lunar Beaches Crypto. My man. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I mean, it's a beautiful day in Bitcoin. Can we break this all-time high? Well, we're only 20% away from it, right? We're only 20% away from it. Let's go over to my big chart here. We got a big chart. Of course, we got a big chart. So, someone was asking, where do we take profit? Have you guys sold your bags in the Discord? I'm sorry. That was Mr. Kush himself, right? Have you taken profits? Blah blah blah. He's been DCAing and DCAing out. Okay, for me it's tax. Don't wanna hang out with the tax. And I did announce today that we bought. You know, we announced when we bought on January 6th, right? And then here's the portfolio to prove it, right? And being transparent here, my render bags. I mean, it's almost 2x, right? That's pretty pretty incredible because of the AI hype, right? So goes to show you, right? Just buy low, sell high, right? Yeah, you're right. Retro Mic Tech. I mean, you caught me, man. I'm not turning off this live stream until we break until we break 69K, man. That's for sure. So where do we take profits, right? And for me, it's starting next year, right around the end of January, all the way to November, okay? And somewhere within this. And you can't always be perfectly correct. However, if you measure it all out in the lifetime and all that stuff, I do believe I have here, let's go over here. Our Moon Gaussian channel with we got Bitcoin halving cycle profit from Kevin Svinson or whatever his name is. So you can see that you have, this is my long-term charting, okay? So I'll go over here to log. Maybe it'll look a little prettier for you guys here. Always got to keep it pretty. But you can see when we hit the tops here, okay, in logarithmic, okay, you can see that the highs here, and then you have this period, and that's what's marked out here. It's this window within here between January all the way to November is marked out, and that's this area within here, okay? So you can see that you do have opportunities to sell, but you did have a double top here, right? Same with here. You had all this opportunity to sell, and then the peak, right? And then you can see the reversal starts there, okay? So maybe go over and get this Bitcoin halving cycle profit indicator. That could help you. There's a whole bunch of things that you can add, okay? I like the moon cycle. I like the Gaussian channel. That helps me a lot, right? This thing. So there's many ways of finding the tops. Another good source would be the new pull data. So I believe it's here. I can oh, I got messages. BTC is up 9.5%, it says my phone. I can't find my my NUPL. I'll get it for you guys and I'll send it to you guys in the chat. Kyle from our Discord showed me it, so it's helped me a lot just for knowing when the market gets a bit overextended and a bit oversold, right? So for me right now, can we get there? Oh, anything's possible, man. If anything's proven to you recently, anything is possible, right? So we can see right now we're looking for this to continue upwards, right? And we've blasted through this crazy, golden pocket, only to come up to the 786 where we're at right now, right? So where are we at right now? We're at the 786 knocking on the door, right? Do I expect us to blast through here? Well, we haven't fully touched it yet. If we want to be like to the exact point, right? Yeah, that's pretty close. That's pretty close. And we can see that's going to come in right around, that's going to come in right around 57,560, okay? So, that's pretty incredible, okay? That's pretty incredible. So we're knocking on the 786. We got the platinum pocket up here at the 886 as well, where we can look to continue up on our merry way. But you can see that we are definitely in this parabolic trend, okay? And where we stop, nobody knows. However, what we do know is the adoption is crazier than we've ever seen before. I shared it right now, actually literally like half an hour ago, where we got just in today. Look at this. ETF trading volume surpasses $3.24 billion. Okay, $3.24 billion. So we're going to 70K tomorrow. CNFT keeper asks, well, literally, we might even get there tonight, right? Whew, man, you guys are we spoiled or what? You guys feeling a little FOMO? Or you guys feeling a little bit of greed? How you guys feeling? Let me know in the chat what you're feeling. Maybe I'll throw up a poll right now and we can check. How do you feel? We'll go FOMO. I need lower. Let's add fear of crash. And I'm gonna just put it in this. Let me know how you guys are feeling. We got FOMO. I need lower. Fear of crash. I spelled of wrong because I was just typing that out quick. Or greed. How do you guys feeling about that? Let me know. Look at the apricot emoji. You guys remember that? Oh, that was way back when we used to do the apricot sticker. Where is it? Oh man, this was when I was. That was when I was trading in Yo, Nick Musgrave better be in this chat. Good morning, my man. God bless you, bro. Hope you're doing well, man. Hope you're doing well, my brother. Hope you're doing well. So we're just going over long-term shit here, seeing that we're coming up to the 786 right now. Now, what is the idea, right? What is the idea for this? And we've been screaming that the rotation needs to go into ETH, Denken upgrade, and timing and prices. So let's look at 2024. What do we have in front of us, right? And it's very simple, right? We just got the ETF, and look, since ETF, look at this. This thing's rocket shipped, right? Rocket ship. We had that dip down, and we are up about 44% since that buy the rumor, sell the news event, right? It's from that candle to where we are now, 48%, right? What else do we have? We have the halving. The halving, guys, it's not that far away, man. It's not that far away. What is this? 1, 2, what is this? 6, 7 weeks? 7 weeks? 8 weeks? Right? That's insane, right? That's insane, right? That's insane. If you ever want the fear and greed, you just go over here, type /FG in the Discord, and it'll pop it out for you here. We're at Let's go, right? Let's go. 79. So we got ETH ETFs on the way, right? Then we have this U.S. election, and guys, they're gonna spend, right? These guys, I'm gonna strengthen this and strengthen that, and spend money here and spend money there. Yeah. Where are you getting that money, man? Printers go brrr. Guess where Bitcoin goes? Brrr, up to the moon, right? And then we have our take profit zone, right? So what can we expect? We can expect anything from chop sideways. We can expect a little bit of a scare, okay? Everybody, remember, when there's blood in the streets, we got to change our mindset. If we get back down to these levels here, guys, I'm going to probably drop another 100K on some shit, man. 100%. Mark my words. If we come down below 41,000, I'll drop 100,000 on something, okay? If we come down in this area, I will drop some money on it. Because I believe in this process, right? I believe in this process. I was dropping mad bags here on Ethereum, so why not? We could trickle down sideways over time here. We could just chop sideways here and just have that fake out. Everybody thinks we're gonna go continue higher and break this and chop sideways, and all of a sudden, boom, we get some bullish news as well. But the conditions are different. The conditions are different. Yeah, another 100K. Yeah, that's right, man. That's right, man. Where are you getting this cheddar, Alex? My man, don't worry. It's Only Otters, bro. It's from Only Otters. Oh, man. Only Otters. So that's really what we got in front of us. I mean, we have a very interesting year in front of us. We have a very scary year as well. I mean, anything can happen with China, with Ukraine, with Israel. I mean, it's already happening, right? It's already happening, all this stuff. So, oh man. So we prepare. We prepare every single day. That's why we come to the charts. We come with a plan and we prepare. So right now, what's the plan? What's the plan? Well, do we have a key level around here? Let's check it out, right? Yes, we do. So we had this key level of 56,767, and we blasted through it. We also had this level, key level here, and we touched it literally to the dollar this morning. We pushed up. We touched it to the dollar, guys. That was pretty incredible. Look how well this level worked. Okay, I'm not tooting my horn, but I'm tooting my horn. When the levels are respected that well, It's pretty sweet to prove that the TA works, right? Now, when we go into this now, we got a naked point of control above us, but let's really identify what we're in. Okay, so when we go over here on the daily, right? Where are we, right? Where are we? First question you always got to ask, right? And when we ask if you're lost, we ask, where are we? So we're up within this range here. So I'm going to pull this. I don't need this high here. I'd really like to isolate the volume within here. So this is the range I believe we currently are at, right? So how do we mark this out, right? How do we transfer these levels over to the other side where we want to trade? Well, we can see that we got like pig nipples here, volume spikes, right? So each one of these volume spikes matched up with candle closes is going to be where I mark levels. I'm going to mark one here. I'm going to mark out these tops here, these candle closes tops over here. And then we got some wicks up here, but not really anything significant. So I'm going to leave that there. I'm also going to mark out this top up here around 63.5. Now these are going to act as key levels of interest. When price gets to these levels, oh, God bless you. Hayden Kittler, man, gifted 10 memberships. God bless you, bro, man. Those bisons must be treating you well, my brother. God bless you, man. God bless you, man. Thank you so much for the gift, man. Welcome to the Otter Gang. If you're not already, you are, but it's all set. Moon Boot Boy, King Kush, Post, G Corp, L Jones, Mario, Alexander. It's a great name. MC, may be a Band-Aid. Frank, Fit for Life, Crypto. I like that. Fit for Life, man. We always got to be doing those Bitcoin push-ups, you know, unless you're like Chuck Norris, you do, instead of push-ups, you do world downs, you know, Chuck Norris when he does push-ups, world downs. I don't know. Sometimes the Chuck Norris jokes just suits, okay? Okay, so we extracted some levels from there, and look at, and we got a naked point of control from up here. Okay, so then after doing this, we go over to where we're trading, right? And where are we trading now? Ooh, look at these. We got some levels. We got something to work with, right? And that's what we want, right? We want to isolate the price so that when we get to it, we can act accordingly, right? So we look for reactions on price, and I will share these with all you guys here. So by adding these levels, you guys give yourself a little bit of an edge where you can look for what we look on Market Cipher, on VWAP, on volume, on support and resistance, for exhaustion, for bullish and bearish divergence, vice versa, right? By being prepared, we can set ourselves up for success, and that's what we always preach here, is we want to be prepared as possible, right? And by doing that, we really give ourselves an edge, right? You can look here, like just simple support and resistance matched up with confluence, right? It was banging all the way through this area, right? Even up here. We came back, we retested, we pushed up, we came up, we tested, we came back down, we consolidated within it, we pushed up, we consolidated within it, we pushed up, we came back down and retested, right? We pushed up, we consolidated. Maybe there's one horizontal that's due over here. Let's see here. Up top here. Give me something better. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so we'll add this here, right? So we add these areas to our chart so that we can look for the reaction of price and then make a decision as it presents itself, man. Thank you so much for joining. Hayden Kittler, you forgot all about yourself, man. Welcome to the Otter Gang, all you beautiful, ottertastic, fantastic members, man. God bless you guys. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I mean, I am. So, and then I'll share this in the charts, right? We share this all the time. If you guys want it, you got it, man. Anything for you guys, right? We do this for the little otter that is on his way. So by identifying these areas, we can add them to our charts and then look for a reaction on price. Right now, we have gotten a massive push. Now, what do I think about this push? Well, typically, you know, people are trying to short this. That's why these pumps are happening. If you listen to any trader's reality, these are retail shorting here, right? Or retail isn't shorting. Retail's longing within here, filling up orders of the whale, right? The whale's up here. He's been filling. Is he going to dump it on our ass? Well, it's Monday. It's the false move Monday, right? So we could be looking for a dump, man. We could be looking for a dump. Like, and if we get off of this and we go back over to, which one is it here? T, the one, the Neo, okay? And we go over to Trader's Reality. And we can identify some vector candles, right? And we can see that typically price wants to come back to the vector candles, right? So we are aware of that. However, market sentiment is crazy bullish. Now, how do we track this? Well, as I always say to you guys, we get a trend line, get rid of Tino's yellow, beautiful colored candles, and we get a trend line. We mark out the momentum, right? And we wait for the momentum to either be returned to or broken, right? Until this is broken downwards or from chopping sideways, we remain bullish, right? Until we get out of here, right? So we can be looking for a short-term time frame kind of retracements and continuations back down to this momentum and continuations upwards, okay? Now, what led to this parabolic run? Well, let's go to the longer-term time frames. We're getting a green dot on the 2-day. What's the daily suggest? So we got a crossover of the VWAP here on the daily. That's a very nice indicative move here. You can see money flow green, VWAP crossover, massive push today. Okay, green dot then confirmed. Go over to the 12-hour. What do we see? We see we see this trigger, man. I call these, like, when we consolidate up here and then we trigger down, this is a beautiful, if you mark out all of your lower, when you're oscillating above here and you get the little triggers down below, it gives a massive, massive move, especially on the daily. The 12-hour works quite nice too. Okay, and it happens more frequently on the 12-hour. You got one here where you're looking for that pop-off, especially with the green money flow. If it's green and you're getting a little bit of a crossover here, but you've been oscillating up high, it's typically a very nice move. And as you can see, you've had 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. You know, you've had 2 days for this to play out in your favor. Okay? Crimson Caravan Company, what's going on, man? CCC, I believe you're playing some shrapnel, man. Pretty awesome, bro. I'm throwing some grenades. I saw that. If you listen to Tino, he says we setting up for a big move. Warren Buffett said he ain't got 170 billion waiting for nothing. He wants BTC lower to buy. Pretty wild. Okay. Love Tino, man. Tino's got a good understanding of the markets. He's Greek. He tells a good story. Okay, we won't get it twisted. I love it. He can really paint a good narrative. However, my fiance, Mrs. Otter, Amy, as you guys know her, she's British, so it doesn't wow me with his accent. Okay. The weekly momentum wave is making a new higher wave now. Whew, let's go and check it out. Thanks for sharing that. Yeah. Whew. So we're getting above here. This could be, yeah. Okay, so we're getting a double top here. Weekly momentum wave is now above. Guys, this is crazy. Okay, we don't get this very often. When did we get this? We'd have to go into our other chart. Let's go over here. Let's go over to the weekly. Yeah, see? We don't get up here. This is bull market shit right here. So yeah, up here. These are even kind of low compared to these ones. So these are massive, right? Did we get anything similar on our okay, so we got something like this here. So before the parabolic run, we got one more swoop down on the weekly. You can see it here. So if we're looking at this run, right, we can see that this is the bear, the fib, right? We're up here right now. So we've come higher. We're up here now, right? And we're going to get this till this, right? We're waiting for that. And then we look at this. We have this high momentum wave here, right? This could be similar before we get this, right? So always be aware of where we are in the cycle, where we are looking. Yes, we've gotten higher here. Okay, that just means our drawdown might be a little bit less, even though it's typically around 40%. If we measure from here, we won't count the COVID here, but if you go down, let's say 50% from if we went from close to close, it's a lot less, okay? That's about 40%, right? So that just means that even where we are right now and we are higher up, if it's similar to last cycle, this is all I'm saying. And then we're where we are now and we go 40%, right? Sheesh. We're coming back and retesting 35,000, guys. And don't believe it won't happen, right? Anything is possible. Anything is possible. But this weekly is quite high, right? And we have now gotten higher with the green dot and pushing up, overextended, overbought. Money flow is absolutely astronomical right now. We do have VWAP posturing to the downside, but that doesn't really tell too much considering where we are right now. So how do we trade this? Well, if you're anything like me, I long this pump, right? I long this pump just off of the basic consolidation that we have, right? So it's a very simple flag. It's even ascending triangle, right? This is very bullish looking, right? Same with this one, right? Flag, breakout. So much momentum, letting Asia get a turn, really. You saw, so I initially longed here, and then I longed up here, okay? Could have held this one a bit longer, but I'm very happy with my profits nonetheless. So what do we wait for right now? We have some key levels marked out. If you're looking to get into this right now and you don't want to go to bed, well, you can pull this to here. You can target this golden pocket, right? You can do a whole bunch of things. However, right now, my opinion is of the fact that you guys should go to bed and pay yourselves. Make sure you pay yourselves, okay? It's one thing. It's one thing to enjoy the pumps, enjoy all that stuff. But we're here as traders, you know. If you're dollar cost averaging and your bags are up, congratulations. That's awesome. Like, I'm pretty happy with my portfolio today, right? However, as a trader, you know, we want to come in, get our money and pay ourselves, right? And accumulate and try to grow an account where we can make, you know, one trade and make $1,400 like I did tonight, right? And that's a week's pay. And it's 2 weeks pay when you convert it into Canadian dollars. So to keep on the radar, what are we keeping on the radar right now? I would be watching ETH like a hawk, okay? Target's 3,500. Okay, we're coming up to a next key level of resistance. Perfect touch. Look at that, guys. Look at the levels, man. Look at the levels, man. Look at this. Guys, off by what? A buck or two? Look at that, guys. So when I share the levels, I ain't just picking these out of the friggin', you know, the tree and being like, good luck. I share the levels to try and help you guys, right? So if you're sitting and you're trading ETH and you waited for this, I mean, you got the short entry, right? Just because you knew the level. Look at that. Look at that level, man. Bang, you know, big 2% move. I make a nice chunk of change on a 2% move, right? Push through. We didn't flip it to support, but we came close, right? So we look for the ETH narrative to continue rocking its way up the charts, right? We look for the narratives within GameFi, right? With Beam, with IMX, with you know, Myria. There's a whole bunch of GameFi that's popping off, right? Avalanche, I think, yet to run. Avalanche seems a little bit suppressed lately, in my opinion. We were down quite a bit, right? Buy zone given, right? $35. Avalanche has had a little bit of a run, but I think there's a lot more leg to Avalanche, okay? Even though it had that little outage, it should be all right. Link has, this was my buy zone again, right? Link's had a nice move, right? A little bit of a head and shoulders coming right now. So be patient on Link. Wait to make sure that we, I would like to see us get above the support level here around 19.5. Let's look at, so if Ethereum, we're expecting an ETF for Ethereum, right? Optimism Arbitrum. I keep yelling at, I'm probably going to buy some Arbitrum. I do not hold Arbitrum, but I'm probably going to buy some, and I will let you guys know when I am. I do believe Arbitrum has a little bit of legs to it. I do own a big bag of Matic, and I don't hold any optimism because I'm not optimistic. No. So I'll be looking to get into some of these as well, right? As well. But right now, beautiful move. Mr. Pepe, Mr. Bonk. You know, I hold a bit of bonk and a bit of snack. Okay, I do not hold. Sometimes I hold my cock, okay? I won't lie. But I don't hold any of my crypto bags, okay? That's Crypto Pollo's job. Grok has had a nice move as well. Okay, so some of these memes are running. I like to play in the memes. Look at Bit Tensor is gonna be moving. Bit Tau, okay. Tia, Celestia. Look for a move from Tia. Sui, SEI, Ordi. These are the things that I'm watching. Okay, these are the narrative-driven ones that I'm watching. Ordi, Sai, Sui, Tia, Bit Tensor, Tau, Beam. Yeah, Super maybe. So we keep our eyes peeled on those. You know, with these, you don't have to dabble as much. You know, they're a lot more riskier. And then those AI coins, right? We all know about AI coins. I would, if I'm going to get another AI coin, I think AGIX FET. I hold a bunch of render, but FET looks good. FET's had quite a nice push up. AGIX. GMT's got a pretty strong narrative. However, I don't like the chart. I like FET. Looks like pretty hella bullish right now, but a pullback would be nice for FET. But I mean, this is why we're in it, guys. We're in it for the gains. I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little bit of a heads up what I'm looking at, where we're going, and we'll continue to show up for you guys, and that's that, right? So I figured I'd come on for you guys tonight. Is there anything you guys want me to take a quick look at? I'll be making you guys an update video tomorrow morning, as per usual, on Bitcoin and some other altcoins that have gotten a move. I'll use my heat map and I'll do some due diligence. I'll just do what I do in the morning and I just talk. Okay, so I'll continue to do that. We caught the Bitcoin trade today, guys. Like fucking right. I love to see you guys win. I love showing up for you guys, man. Nothing makes me happier. So we'll continue to do that. I'm gonna fucking go to bed. Because we're gonna get up early, all right. He says show the ultrasound. Yeah, we got the picture here. Where is it? Yeah, we showing up. We got a lovely, beautiful lady and a beautiful otter to take care of, guys. What do you guys think? Is that its wiener right there? I don't know. If it's anything like his dad, look at this thing. I don't know what that is. Oh, Madonna. No, I'm too. It might be a girl too. I don't care either way, man. I'm blessed, right? I'm blessed to be starting a family and to be sharing it with you guys and all that good stuff, man. All that good stuff. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for being there for me, and we'll keep showing up for you guys. Okay. What was the poll? How did the poll end? Let me see. Hold up. Before we go. Okay, so you guys are feeling FOMO. You feel like you missed out. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process. You reset, you reload, you wait for the next one, right? We are out here to set the trap. So we're going to set the trap, and we're going to help you set the trap, and we'll continue to learn and grow together. If you're feeling the fear of missing out, well, buckle up. It's just the beginning. You guys are early. Retail isn't here, and there's lots more to go. And we'll be here to try and guide you through the adventures of this bull market, and we'll continue to try and help you guys. So don't feel the FOMO. Just know that there's no stupid questions. We can only be okay with what we set ourselves up to be, and that's for you to decide. So we'll work on ourselves together. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip crypto. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that are flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.